Hello, I'm Gary Kent with GeoLearn, and this is course number 7 in the program on 2021 ALTA NSPS Land Title Survey Standards. In this course, we are covering all of the Table A items. In order to make it easier for you who are watching this, we have kept the content from 2016 that did not change for 2021. So the slides and the lecture portion, that has stayed the same. But when you see a dark blue slide with yellow text, you'll know that this is a new or modified item for 2021. The first thing, and this is, we point this out in section 2 of the standards, the request for survey. The request for survey should include the Table A items. So if a surveyor is being asked to conduct a land title survey, they really want to put the onus on the client to review the Schedule A, Schedule A items, the Table A items, and select those that they would like. Now, I have had sometimes clients say, well, we're not really sure, what do you usually do? Well, I know what clients usually want, and I'm more than willing to write up a contract that way, but I will also tell them, here's the contract, but I'm also sending you a copy of Table A to make sure there's not something else that you might want. And I will also encourage them to have their lender review that, because oftentimes, I mean, that's almost always where additional items come in as a surprise at the very end, is because the lender wants some additional things. Now, I get a chuckle out of this because a while back somebody sent this to me. They had sent an email to their client and said, what Table A items do you want? And the client replied back, well, with regard for Table A, we would like those items that would not incur any additional cost. So here's somebody who's saying, hey, whatever you'll do for free is what we want. And I tell surveyors, in a situation like this, or in any situation, every Table A item ought to cost something. And we're going to talk about all of them here in a few minutes, but we can joke about addresses. Table A item, I think it's 2, is addresses. You want addresses, it's going to be $50. Or you want a flood hazard statement, well, that's going to be $200. I think every Table A item there should be a fee associated with that, because otherwise it just doesn't look good. It looks like, well, sure, we'll just do whatever you want for no additional fee. So I got kind of a laugh out of this, but would encourage surveyors to look at those fees and charge something for them. So Table A now only has 19 items. What used to be 21, the fill in the blank item, is now number 20. So there are 19 specific items and then a fill in the blank, number 20.